Big Mahi right next to my boat.
What, he's free slam right up next to you?
Yep, yep. I'm on him. Another one. Get over here now. There's a bigger one on him. I forgot to make an intro.
Check my bait once I get up to my first mark here.
My buddy James and I were out here on the water. We got baits. We're hoping for some fall fish. The last few trips have been a dud.
That was fun having your dad out here though. That was cool.
Yeah, we're gonna see if we catch any good fish. Big shark, 100%. This thing's like hardly fighting, but just heavy. I need to get a samurai sword or something for just cutting off the shark. Every time I get him close, he runs. Good luck for that guy. He gets 10 feet of top shot. I won't be down rigging today. I don't have any bands. Big Mahi. Dude, Big Mahi right next to my boat.
What, he's free slam right up next to you?
Yep, yep. I'm on him.
Nice.
Another one. Get over here now. There's a bigger one on him.
Oh, perfect timing. Our friend is coming over here on the boat.
Dude, there's like a 20 next to him.
My bait might be too big, but I'll try.
chummed the bait right in front of him. He munched it.
Holy crap!
What?
That's a big one.
That's what I told you. I'm pretty sure I saw 20 right next to this one. How big is it?
It's definitely my PB Mahi.
Oh, you're lucky. I'm nice.
Mission failed. We'll get him next time.
I saw it too. I should have let off the drag. He was foul hooked.
No!
I should have let off the drag. I even picked it up.
Dude, mine was foul hooked too. It was hooked in the side.
God, I even saw it. I was like, oh, I should have let off the drag. And as soon as I saw it, it was over.
That was crazy. I hope the camera got that on there, but I had a little bit of like a strike, cleared my line, and I looked over and I saw a big mahi sitting there, like a good one. I'm pretty sure that was like bigger than my personal best off the kayak. I immediately like freak out and I have a dead bait on me, so I throw it out, put on a bait, throw it out, and it gets eaten by a cow. I set the hook and I see it running and I see the bigger one right in front of me. So I had tossed out another bait, it got munched by the big one, and I'm like, oh man, I'm radioing to my buddy because I know at the time I'm fighting a fish, so I don't have time to put another bait in. But he comes over immediately. He had some dead baits on board. He throws those out, and then his rod got smashed. And he got it right to the boat. Like, I saw it flopping next to him. Like, he may not have had a coggy shot, but he was as close as he could have been. Like, got the coggy out and stuff. And he said it was foul hooked. Mine was foul hooked, so I just went for the shot when I had one. Wasn't the best coggy shot in the world. It's probably gonna mess up some of the meat, but I'm happy that I went for it because I secured the fish. I know how crazy they can get. If they jump or take a crazy run at the end like that, it can rip right out, and that's what happened to him.
The strike was so different from everything else we get.
Bro, it's a sailfish.
That's insane. Play it nice and easy. You don't need to put too much drag on it. Similar, oh no, they say hi.
Okay.
So if you can, back down the drag. Not too much, but enough.
It's a perfectly manageable size.
I saw a splash and look good.
Yeah, I bumped down one from strike. I'm just letting him tow me. Yeah, he's just going all over. Yeah, I'm pretty nervous with that bill.
What?
I'm just super nervous with this bill. I've never handled one. I could release this guy. I kind of want to keep him.
A lot of fish, a lot of giveaway.
Yeah. Okay, Connor, we're gonna keep him.
Get him up.
That was not it. You straight up harpooned him.
It worked though.
Well, it's kind of enough. You want a second secondary coggy?
No, he pulled it out. It's with me.
Okay.
Perfect. Got him right where I want him now. Got him. I don't know how to make it. I don't even know how to go about this.
Yeah. He's very much severe.
What do you think? Cut him? Bleed him out?
Yeah, bleed him out right now if you can. While you're at it. The harpoon.
Freaking
You like threw it. You're like,
I know, like I haven't. This is my. I've never been around these fish. I don't know how they act.
I've never been around a sail. The only time I've ever seen one was Big Island.
I was freaked out. Not gonna lie. I'm like, holy
You
shit.
didn't want to get stabbed. That would have been an issue. I think that's bigger than 50. That's certainly bigger than 50. That's beautiful. Get my camera real quick. I'm gonna pedal up and around. So, my buddy James hooked up to a sailfish while I was talking to my girlfriend on the phone, and I went over and helped him land it. We were debating whether or not to keep it, and out here in Hawaii is like the only place people really catch and eat sails. And we were deciding, he thought that it was gut hooked, which we found out that it was not gut hooked. So we were kind of bummed after the fact once he had coggied it. But once you coggy something, it's not gonna do so good. So it's kept. He has it on his kayak. I'm gonna go land first and help him get it up. And we're gonna transport it as fast as we can. It's definitely not gonna come out to be sashimi quality by any means, because we can't fit it in the fish bag. It's just too long, too skinny. So he lapped it, put his shirt over it that's damp, keeping it moist, and the sun off of it. And we're just making our way as fast as possible.
Right now, we're going pretty fast.
So we'll see. We're gonna get up and do the fillet job. Luckily I have a little mahi in the bag, so we're gonna do like a little mahi sailfish taste test. It'll be pretty cool. That is so cool. The tail, the dorsal is just insane. There's little spots.
I'm gonna put gloves on for this.
Yeah, look at that color though.
It's so cool.
It's like, what's that stone? Turquoise? This fly likes the smell.
Yep.
Thinking.
I'm with you. Okay. Where? Hang on. I don't even know the.
So I saw this gash in him.
Yeah, that's probably from my
James
steer.
did this odd maneuver.
I don't even know where to start.
But like I see him get up close, and then all of a sudden I see James go, and he just like harpooned at it. Yep. This is now officially.
0-0.
This is officially your biggest pelagic, and the biggest pelagic that we caught this year.
That's for sure.
It's certainly the longest we've ever caught.
Dude, these guys are so long. Like, I can't believe this is.
Look at his tail. We have to keep the tail. We have to like put it up on the back over here. Well, this is making it worth keeping, just learning what it's biologically. It's just weird.
It's so weird. There we go.
Why is it so orange?
Yeah, that's what I was surprised too. Like, it kind of looks like Rainbow Runner.
That's what I was thinking. I told Alex that I think it's gonna taste like Rainbow Runner. You see the stripes? That's insane. Oh yeah. Look at those colors. fish taste test. That is sailfish, and that is mahi. Both blackened. We're gonna straight up compare them.
Yep.
Yeah. All right, we're tasting sailfish.
Sailfish first. Dude, it's good.
Is yours as chewy as mine?
I mean, it's chewy.
Okay. It's not bad. The blackening is decent on it.
Yeah, the blackening saves it.
Okay. Wait.
But it's good.
Hold on. Still chewing though.
It is real steaky. It's super chewy.
Okay, now let's try this other one.
It fights
This is
back.
mahi.
Dang. Mahi, hands down.
Okay.
There's no
So,
comparison.
The mahi's a little better, to say the least.
Way better.
Okay. So like the other one is just the flavor is good with the blackening, but it's really chewy.
Super chewy.
Okay.
It's still good though.
Like still edible. Okay, James. So what do we think of the chewiness of the sailfish?
Very tough. Fights back.
Stays in the teeth.
There's a reason it's called a sport fish.
Yeah.